Yeah, monsters done come through last night, man. Sprinkled all the fucking street. Sidewalk, all the white stuff. South Bronx, baby. South Bronx. South Bronx. South Bronx. Oh, yeah, man. Mother Nature did its job, boy. Yeah, Mother Nature did its job, man. All the whites are all over the motherfucking place. For those of you who don't get no snow, I'm giving y'all recollection. I'm giving y'all some video on what the snow looked like. A car's buried under here. That's the car right there, guys. It's a damn car buried under there. Radiant video. Yeah, woke up this morning, I see a lot of people shoveling out their driveways and stuff. They're trying to free their cars away from the sidewalk. Radiant videos. Radiant videos.